Sir, block disintegration.
Block disintegration. I'll show you. Yeah, okay. Okay, so you can see your screen. Okay, so on your screen there's a block. So block disintegration is when both temperature and water take part in the formation of rocks. Okay, so as you all can see, तुम लोगों को इधर photo दिख रहा है right hand side में, उधर पानी भी है and there is a rock also. So in this process, the rock is affected by the water as well as the air. ठीक है, वो आदमी वहां बैठ के फोटो देख रहा है, फोटो खींच रहा है खुद का. Don't look at that. Just look at the rock. So you all can see the rocks on which shape it is. Okay, these are called as block disintegration. Okay, Krishnakant.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
Welcome.
Got you.
Okay. Welcome. Okay. So today we'll go ahead. Today we'll start speaking about chemical weathering. Okay. Yesterday we learned about mechanical weathering. Today we learn about chemical weathering. Now, what is chemical weathering? Chemical weathering is when chemicals take part in the formation of rock. Okay. For example, carbonation. Now, what is carbonation? The rainwater travels through the atmosphere.
Sorry, sir.
before reaching the ground. Yes, Aaron.
Hello, sir?
What happened? Yes, Aaron.
I had internet issues, so I what you thought before this?
Before this, nothing. I just started the lecture.
What you were teaching? I didn't get anything.
Just started the lecture.
Oh,
You
okay.
didn't miss anything. I'm just started. Okay. I'm not given to write anything. I'm just teaching. Okay. The
Okay.
rainwater travels through the rainwater travels through the atmosphere before reaching the ground. Carbon dioxide in the air gets mixed in the water in this process. Dilute carbonic acid gets formed. Materials like limestone get easily dissolved in such acid. For example, water plus carbon dioxide is known as carbonic acid. Okay. So you all tell me, why is everyone's camera off? And if everyone don't have net issues, you all can on the camera. I can only see Deborah and Mikhail, sorry. Okay, Benoit also I can see. Nandini, Sanvi. Okay. So basically क्या होता है, तुम लोग के पेरेंट्स ने तुम लोग को बोला रहेगा ना कि like बारिश में there are some rains which you all shouldn't get wet. है ना, कुछ बोलते हैं the water is very harmful. I think the first rain वो लोग बोलते, for the first rain. Okay, one second.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have to write this. No, I'll tell you what to write. I'll tell you what to write. Okay. So why they say that the first rain is very, very dangerous? Why you all shouldn't get wet in the rain? Because what happens when the rainwater comes? Okay, acidic rain. Because what happens when the rainwater comes? The rainwater gets mixed with carbon dioxide. Now, why it gets mixed with carbon dioxide? Because we have carbon dioxide in the air as well. Okay, we take in oxygen and we give in carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is obviously present in the air. So when the rainwater gets mixed with carbon dioxide, it becomes carbonic acid. That is acidic rain. That's why we need to we shouldn't get wet in that rain, because it has diverse effects on our skin. Okay, if you all see that your skin may get rashes, or your skin gets burned sometimes, something like that happens. Okay, this is not more common, but it happens sometimes. Okay, when does it happen? You know, when the first rain comes. Now, why you all say कि फर्स्ट रेन के टाइम पे बाकी के टाइम में बारिश में भीग सकते हैं, पहला रेन में क्यों नहीं भीगने का? बिकॉज सी फुल ईयर इट इज नॉट रेनिंग, फुल ईयर इट इज ड्राई. ओके, एंड अचानक से बारिश गिरा, तो व्हेन इट इज ड्राई द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गेट्स पैक्ड अप इन द एयर, एंड अचानक से बारिश गिरा तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड नीचे से बारिश ऊपर से दोनों मिक्स हो जाते हैं एंड बिकम्स एसिडिक रेन. दैट्स व्हाई वी डोंट गेट वेट इन द फर्स्ट रेन. ओके, सो यू ऑल कैन राइट दिस डाउन. दैट इज नोन एज कार्बोनेशन. यस कृष्णा
सर, फर्स्ट वाले में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड मिक्स होता है, फिर बाकी के इसमें क्यों नहीं होता? मतलब
बाकी उसमें क्या होता है, बाकी पहले इसमें क्यों बोलते थे ओनली से फर्स्ट रीजन? क्यों देख, क्योंकि पहले बारिश के पहले द होल एरिया इज ड्राई. ठीक है, पूरा आसमान सूखा रहता है. सो व्हेन द होल आसमान इज ड्राई ना, द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का जो अमाउंट रहता है ज्यादा रहता है. That's why when the rainwater mixes with the first carbon dioxide, first rain के टाइम पे एसिड रहता है. उसके बाद क्या होता है, उसके बाद पहला रेन क्या करता है, पहला रेनफॉल जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड होता है उसका अमाउंट कम कर देता है. उसके बाद जब रेन गिरता है तो इट मिक्सेस विद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, पर इतना एसिडिक नहीं होता. और इट इज एसिडिक फॉर सम कंटेंट, बट इतना ज्यादा नहीं होता कि तेरे स्किन को जला दे. दैट्स व्हाई पहले टाइम में ज्यादा रहता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल तू एक बॉटल पकड़. ठीक है, ये पानी का एक बॉटल है और इसमें इतना पानी है. ठीक है, तू पहली बार में पानी पिया, सेकंड टाइम में तेरे पास इतना ही पानी रहेगा क्या तेरे बॉटल में? कृष्णकांत
सर, कम होगा
ना. एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. जस्ट इन द सेम वे पहला बारिश के टाइम पे ना इतना अगर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रहेगा तो ये बारिश है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से मिक्स हो जाता है. सो ऑब्वियसली इसके बाद जब बारिश पड़ेगा तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा कम ही रहेगा यहाँ पे. Okay, so acidic रहता है पर कम acidic रहता है. Okay, understood, Pushpakan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can write from here till here and then write the.
Sir.
Sorry, just write. Yeah.
सर बट
Yes,
कार्बन
Pushpakan.
डाइऑक्साइड तो मतलब आपने बोला नीचे नीचे रहता है ना, और रेन तो ऊपर से आती है ना,
हाँ.
तो फिर उनका इंटरसेक्शन तो डायरेक्ट ग्राउंड पे ही होगा ना, तो फिर हमको थोड़ी कुछ होगा, फीट्स को होगा ना ओनली.
कैसे ग्राउंड, कैसे मतलब ग्राउंड को ऑब्वियसली होता ही है, बट ऑब्वियसली देख ना अभी अगर देख, अगर ये क्लाउड है पकड़, ठीक है, दिस इज अ क्लाउड. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी बैड क्लाउड, आई नो, एंड इसमें कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, इफ दिस इज CO2 और पानी इसके ऊपर से गिर रहा है, ठीक है, तो पानी हैज टू पास थ्रू दिस ना. पानी ऐसा बाजू से थोड़ी आएगा, पानी हैज टू पास. सो एज द वाटर passes through it, it becomes acidic. इसके बाद ही अपने पे गिरता है ना. अंडरस्टैंडिंग कृष्णकांत?
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So I can write this down and write the chemical formula.
Thank
Chemical
you, sir.
formula exam में. You're welcome. You're welcome. Chemical formula exam में आता है. So write the chemical formula down. Okay, Srijit, you joined again, Srijit. Srijit was there, no? Again, yeah. So you can't hear me. Deborah, you can't hear me now. Am I audible, guys? Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I have told you all about your test. Right? This Saturday you all have test. Which test you all have this Saturday?
History and geography.
History and geography first chapter. History ka first chapter, geography ka second chapter, which we have done. Okay. So please be prepared. I don't want any excuse. Those children who are new, Sanvi, Prince, if you all are not present for the lecture, no worries. You can talk to Alfred sir about it. But leaving these new students, all the other students, I want you all to be prepared for the exam. Okay. Because this exam is going to be shown to your parents as well. So you all, if you all want a good birthday gift, तो अच्छे से पढ़ो. पेरेंट लेके अच्छा मार्क्स लाए, तुम लोगों को अच्छा गिफ्ट मिलेगा बर्थडे पे.
सर मेरा भी 14 जुलाई को बर्थडे है, नेक्स्ट मंथ.
तो if you get good marks, so then पेरेंट को बोल सकते हैं इतना मेहनत किया, मेरे को कुछ अच्छा ला के दो. Let me know once you're done. Anyone over here knows coding? You all have learned coding till now?
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर. सर मैंने उसका ट्रायल किया था.
Whitehead Junior पे.
हाँ सर, ट्रायल किया था, फिर उसके बाद इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं आया, फिर वो नहीं किया. सर उसमें
Which
गेम
language
बनाते
did they teach you? इस पे स्क्रैच पे सिखा देखो.
तो सर गूगल में वो लोग ने लिंक दिया था.
अच्छा.
मतलब ऑलरेडी रजिस्ट्रेशन करना रहता है, तो वो लोग लिंक देते हैं, उसमें क्लिक कर.
कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर पे बनाया था, कौन से सॉफ्टवेयर पे सिखाया था?
कंप्यूटर में ही.
अरे कंप्यूटर नहीं, मतलब सॉफ्टवेयर, लाइक वाज इट स्लैक, वाज इट C++, लाइक कोडिंग लैंग्वेजेस रहता है ना, C++, उसमें से कोई था?
सर वैसा कुछ नहीं था, वो ट्रायल था ना बस, तो नॉर्मल ही था. मतलब एक कौन सा एक गेम था छोटा, वो बस बनाया सिखाया था ट्रायल में.
If you all want to learn game making, you all can go on Google and type Scratch, SCRATCH. So that you all have heard about Talking Tom, na? Talking Tom सुना रहेगा सब लोग ने. You all have played also Talking Tom. So Talking Tom was a game made on Scratch. So if you all anyone wants to learn, you all can learn on Scratch. It's very easy.
So it is a game.
What? No, Scratch is a online software in which you can make games, like 2D games. Like it's not very this. What game? Are it up to you, Ray. Whichever game you want, you can make.
यस सर, वो ट्रायल में गेम बनाया था, मतलब ऐसा एक स्क्वायर था, उसमें दो ऐसा एक बॉल था.
they teach that only,
Sir,
like on.
कौन सा लेसन कर रहे हैं?
We are doing वही कल का कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं हम लोग, एंडो एक्सोथर्मिक मूवमेंट प्रोसेस पार्ट 1
Okay.
थर्ड चैप्टर ज्योग्राफी. Everyone done writing?
Yes.
Sir, 2 minutes.
Right. आराम से.
सर मैं हाइलाइटर यूज करता हूँ, चलेगा ना आपको?
हाँ चले.
Sir, done.
Done guys, everyone. Okay. One second. Some minerals in the rock get dissolved in water. Sir, can you speak a little louder? Okay, can you hear me now, Deborah? Can you hear me now? Hello, hello, 1, 2, 3, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mikhail, the name is Scratch. Okay, before ending the lecture, I'll show you the website only. It's Scratch, SCRATCH. Okay, Deborah, you can hear me now clearly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so some minerals in the rock get dissolved in water. Limestone is formed due to chemical precipitation between water and alkalis. Okay, yesterday we seen alkali. Alkali means what? Salty water. At Vadagon Daria in Ahmednagar district, limestone gets precipitated chemically. What is the meaning of precipitation? Precipitation matlab, even after when the rain falls on these rocks, these rocks starts boiling or melting. उस मतलब precipitation मतलब बुलबुले आते हैं इसमें. That's called as precipitation. It undergoes chemical weathering again. Similarly, because of solution, alkalis in the rock dissolve and make them brittle. You don't have to write this, just understand this. Okay. So basically what happened due to the acid rain, some of the rocks start melting. Okay. So this is called as chemical weathering. इसमें क्या होता है जब acidic बारिश गिरता है पत्थरों पे, so that acidic rain starts melting the stones. Okay, and उसके result में क्या होता है? What is the result of this? Because of this, the shape of the stone changes itself. Okay, this is understood by everyone. Don't have to write. You all understood this? Everyone, limestone is one of the stone that changes its shape. Okay, very good. Okay. Next is oxidation. First we did carbonation. Next is oxidation. Now, what is oxidation? Okay, oxidation is basically when you're rushed. Okay, you're rushed when you're normal, like तुम लोग ने chain नहीं करेगा, तुम लोग का cycle का जो chain रहता है, it gets rusty, right? Why does it get rusty? It's because of oxidation. This process occurs in rock which have iron present in them. Okay, so you all have seen a rust is only caused on those things which have iron in them. Okay, so basically your chain. Okay, yes, Rushnakant, go ahead.
Sir, I was disconnected, so this topic I can't understand.
No, I'm teaching. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of oxidation? Oxidation means rust. Okay, oxidation means rust. Gunge padna. Gunge, you all know. You all can see the photo on your right. That is gunge. Okay. Oxidation only takes place in objects which have iron in them. Okay. For example, this chain, which is a photo. Another example is your cycle ka chain. Okay, your cycle ka chain also has iron. Another example are nails. Okay. You all see, if you keep the nails ऐसा बाहर रखा, रास्ते पे रखो, अगर तुम्हें विंडो पे रखा, if you come after 2-3 days, it's उसके सामने उसके आजू बाजू rust आना चालू होता है. It starts getting rusting. Anyone knows why does rust occur? Anyone knows why does rust occur?
Humidity or surrounding?
Absolutely correct. So when humidity, basically when oxygen, okay, oxidation as the name suggests, when oxygen touches these surfaces, when oxygen gets mixed with iron, it causes rust. Okay, so when oxygen comes in contact with a chain or with a nail, ऐसा कुछ होता है, they both react to each other and that happens, that thus oxidation is formed. So what is rust? Okay, so I'll just read it one time. So I'll understood now basically what is oxidation. When oxygen mixes with iron, it's called as oxidation. Okay, if you all want to write the formula, you all can write oxygen multiply by iron is called as oxidation. Okay, you all can write. The oxygen multiply by iron is called as oxidation, and give example as rust.
Sir, can you repeat?
I'll repeat. Okay, I'll just read it first and I'm repeating it. Okay, the process occurs in rocks which have iron present in them. The iron comes in contact with water and chemical reaction takes place between iron and oxygen. Okay, so this is a chemical reaction between iron and what? Oxygen. Hence, a reddish color layer forms on the rock. Yes.
So we have to write the whole thing.
No, I'm telling you what to write. Just understand first. Once you understand, I'll tell you to write. Okay. This is called rust. When you keep nails in wet cloth, you may have noticed a similar thing. Similar process occurs in rocks, whereas it with high rainfall. So basically, rocks are जो पत्थर रहता है, those stones also have iron in them. Okay. So those stones में क्या होता है? When it rains continuously over them, now the iron in the stone mixes with the oxygen. Thus it causes the rust, and that is called as oxidation. So I'll tell you, everyone understood what is the meaning of oxidation. Everyone, can anyone tell me in simple language what is oxidation?
Rusting of iron.
Yeah, but why? When the iron mixes with what?
Sir, humidity.
Oxidation.
Oxygen. Okay. Krishnakant, humidity is the right answer, but you need to use the word oxygen. Okay, if you don't use the word oxygen, then they won't give you marks. Okay, oxygen is the word. Oxygen when mixes with the iron, it causes oxidation. Okay, so I'll tell you what to write in them. Okay, write these points and then write oxygen.
Sir, or you can type in chat.
I'll type also in chat. Okay, oxygen into iron is equal to. I can't type this now. Well, one second. Oxidation. Okay. An example you all can write as rust. Okay, is this legible? तुम लोग समझ सकते हैं मैंने क्या लिखा है? मैं माउस से लिख रहा हूँ इसलिए.
Yes,
understand क्या लिखा? Okay. Everyone understood now what is oxidation? Everyone. See now if I say in basic language, oxidation is when oxygen mixes with iron. Okay, oxidation when oxygen mixes with iron. Similarly, what is carbonation? Carbonation is when carbon dioxide mixes with rainfall, and that results in what? Acidic rain. That's carbonation. So you all can understand the whole topic with just this small small definition. So I suggest you all remember the definition as well.
Sir, can you repeat the formula because I can't understand something.
Okay. Oxygen multiplied by iron. Oxygen into iron gives oxidation. Oxygen into iron gives oxidation, and the example is rust. The example is what? Rust. Everyone wrote it. Everyone are done writing.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt. Oxidation,
Clement.
which sir, कौन से type of metals में होता है?
सिर्फ iron, all those things that consist of iron. Okay, basically your chain, your cycle का chain, तेरे bike का chain, those have iron in them. So it causes rust. Okay, another also stones, जो पत्थर रहते, कुछ पत्थर रहते, they also have iron in them. So during rainfall, continuous rainfall, those stones also turn into rust because of the iron present in them. So only when oxygen mixes with iron, it converts into rust, not with anything else. Okay, only iron, not any other metal. Okay,
Okay, thank you, sir.
welcome.
Sir, it is a quick process or slow process?
It is not like, it's not एक दिन में नहीं होता, but it takes like first day पे थोड़ा rush आएगा, second day पे थोड़ा और rush आएगा, third day पे so it's a quick process, but it's a slow process at the same time. मतलब quick in a sense कि if you keep a rush, like if you keep a, what do you say, if you keep a nail, like if you keep a nail तुम लोग के window के बाहर and you close the window in the night, so the next day you'll find little rust. Okay, the next day उसका you'll find a little more rust, उसके बाद you'll find the whole nail rusting. So it takes time to form, but also it forms slowly. So it has both the process, you can say.
Sir, but we kept them cleaning, then it is not get rust, no?
No, if you keep them clean, it doesn't. अगर तूने घर के अंदर रखा, कबर्ड के अंदर रखा, where the oxygen received to it is very less, then nothing will happen to it. But
No
if
sir,
you
मतलब
keep it
ऐसा
outside
रस्ट
on
हुआ
the,
उसको साफ किया, मतलब ऐसे रोज ऐसा क्लीन करते क्या तो
तो
नहीं होगा?
वापस, हाँ नहीं, तू क्लीन किया तो वापस रस्ट आएगा, तो तू जितने बार क्लीन करेगा उतने ज्यादा बार रस्ट आएगा, वैसा. Okay, done everyone.
So only
Go to the next
paint and wax can prevent rust, right?
No, there are many sources like with which we can prevent rust. There are like different oils also. So basically, you see that when your cycle, अपना cycle का जब chain को guns लगता है, what is the first thing we put? We put oil on them. Oil. So that also prevents rust. Okay, when you use nails in your house. Okay, so when you're using nails in your house, now for your, like if you're putting some like if you're putting a painting or something, so what, before putting the nail, they put a coat on the nail, like a paint ka coat. So basically what you said, so that prevents rust. So not necessarily only paint prevents rust, there are certain oils also that prevent rust. Okay, if अगर तुम लोग photo में देख रहे, the thing on the photo, if you want to remove that rust, then you have to keep that inside a solvent. So there's a particular chemical, I don't reckon the name. You have to keep that in the particular solvent for at least 2 to 3 days. And then only once you remove it, then if you clean it, then वो rust निकल जाएगा. Okay, that's some acid. I'll confirm and let you know. Okay, everyone is done with this. I hope. Welcome. Okay. Yeah. Now this process. There are many processes involved in chemical weathering. Okay. Besides the one mentioned, one daily life example is moistening of table salt in rainy season or apple slices turning brown. Okay. You all have noticed when you eat apple, the apple slice, if you keep for a long time, it turns brown. Have you all noticed this? Has everyone noticed this?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. That's why they
Sir.
put wax.
Yes, wax. Okay, absolutely. Yes, someone was saying something.
यस सर. सर पर मतलब ऐसा जो नॉर्मल इसमें मैं लेके गया था एक बार एप्पल, मतलब स्लाइसेस, फिर वो ब्राउन हो गया था सर. पर ऐसा आचे टप्परवेयर वगैरह जिसमें एयर टाइट है उसमें नहीं होता, पर ये
नहीं, I'll tell you why. Because इसमें also what happens in your airtight, when you use an airtight container, that time the oxygen getting to the fruit is very less. But जैसे तू डब्बा खोलता है, अगर देख अगर तू एप्पल को काट के बाजू में रखेगा, वो ब्राउन हो जाए, बिकॉज उसके आजू बाजू ऑक्सीजन है. That's why this हम लोग को जल्दी खाना पड़ता है. This is also a form of oxidation, and this is a quick form of oxidation. ठीक है, it turns brown. Also even table salt, if you use salt ना, salt को just keep it next to your window during rainy season. उसको बारिश में मत डालो, just keep it next to your window and check it after a few hours. You will see that the salt also is turned wet. Why is this? It's because the oxygen is mixing with the salt, and in the fruits is because the oxygen is mixing with the fruit. That's why the color of the fruit also changes. Okay, and Fleming, you said they use wax. They use wax for two reasons. First, to make the fruit look fresh. So when they put the wax now, the fruit looks fresh. And another reason for putting wax is because it reduces the process of browning of the fruit. That's why. Okay, everyone understood this?
Yes, sir.
You all can write this.
Yes, sir.
You can write this.
सर होल नो
Hold. Give me 1 second. मैं खिड़की बंद करके आ रहा है, बारिश का पानी अंदर आ रहा है. Give me 1 second. Yeah, the whole thing. I have to write the whole thing. Yes, Mikhail, we have to write this. Just give me 1 second, okay?
Sir, full we have to write.
Yes.
Sir, we have to write full.
Is it raining over there, guys? कल में बारिश गिर रहा है क्या?
Yes.
हाँ सर.
खत्म हो गया
अभी
सर
बंद हो गया.
थोड़ा सा कम हो गया.
मतलब ना इधर इधर सुबह से बहुत ज्यादा ही बारिश गिर रहा है. वो सर्दी भी हो गया, इतना अच्छा बारिश गिर रहा है. Let me know once you are done. Then I'll go ahead. And Friday will be your revision lecture. Friday, your first chapter of history and first chapter or second chapter of geography will be revised. So if you all have any doubts, please remove the doubts and ask me on that day, because Saturday को test है. So please, and I'll give you all an advice. Please read the textbook thoroughly, because MCQ में textbook सही देने वाला हो. So what advice?
written है?
सर मतलब
Written,
पिछले
written,
टेस्ट जैसा
written.
नहीं है ना? मतलब
मतलब
वैसा
समझा
आपने
नहीं.
बस बाहर का कुछ भी नहीं दिया था.
नहीं
वैसे नहीं है ना?
इसमें बाहर का आएगा. इसमें MCQ है लास्ट बाहर से. So what I'll do, only MCQ. So MCQ कैसा? I'll tell you how to study for MCQ. While reading the textbook, now if you all have a textbook with you all in the house, take a pencil or take a highlighter and whichever you all feel is important ना, जो तुम लोगों को लगता है MCQ में आएगा, mark कर दो उसे. So it is easy for you all to revise also. In this, इससे क्या होगा मालूम है क्या? इससे तुम लोग का चैप्टर का रीडिंग भी हो जाएगा, प्लस you all will be ready if कोई क्वेश्चन बाहर से भी आए तो. तो जो बड़े क्वेश्चन थे वो जो मैंने तुम लोग को दिए उसमें से आएंगे, and छोटे क्वेश्चन also mostly will come what I've given you only, but MCQs will come from within the textbook. Okay, so MCQs will come within the
सर
textbook. So
only MCQ is there और क्वेश्चन आंसर मतलब सब है.
everything for it will be a 40-45 marks paper. So everything will come. Mostly it will be 40 marks paper because there are 2 chapters. So 20 marks history का first chapter, 20 marks geography का second chapter. क्या हुआ? हाँ प्रिंस, क्या हुआ? Dictation ले लूँगा. I'll take dictation. Okay, thanks for reminding me. I'll just finish this chapter. ये chapter क्योंकि अब खत्म करना है क्योंकि test भी after this, once this chapter is over, I will be taking your English dictation or figures of speech. Because your next week you have English का exam. Next week you have English का semester, so next week you'll be doing more of English.
सर अब आपको 2 बार सिखाना पड़ता है ना, बैच 1 और बैच 2 के लिए सेम
चीज. That's why I only record your lectures. I don't record the second lecture because I just मतलब फायदा नहीं बनता ना, मैं सेम चीज वो लोग को भी सिखा रहा है. So I this only recording I upload, so they also have to see your only. Alfred से वो लोग का लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड करके अपलोड करता है because सेम चीज सिखा रहे हम लोग को जिसको. And why we did you know, because if you make I'm not making कोई क्लास का बुराई नहीं कर रहा, बट जो भी क्लासेस तुम लोग बाकी देखते रहेगा ना, they have एक क्लास में 60 या 60 to 70 चिल्ड्रन. तो लाइक टीचर को मालूम ही नहीं कौन बच्चा पढ़ रहा है क्या कर रहा है. एटलीस्ट नाउ इसमें एक बैच में 10 या 11 स्टूडेंट्स, सो आई नो आई कैन सी ऑल. ओके, जिसका कैमरा मुझे मालूम है, तुम लोग से बात कर सकते हो, सो इट्स मच इजियर फॉर अस.
सर पर आपको डबल मेहनत ना.
अभी एक ही जो घंटा है, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक हम लोग को कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सिखाना पड़ा ना. सेम थिंग आई एम टीचिंग अगेन. तो देख अगर भी नहीं भी रहता था ना कृष्णकांत, सो इट वुड बी, देख मेरा लेक्चर्स कैसा रहता था. जब एक बैच था ना, तो एक मंडे को मेरा 6 to 7 रहता था और ट्यूसडे को मेरा 7 to 8 रहता था. तो मेरे को 1 घंटे का गैप मिलता ही था रोज. 1 घंटे का गैप बीच में मिलता ही था. तो अभी वो गैप नहीं है, सीधा 6 to 7 लेक्चर, 7 to 8 लेक्चर. Okay, everyone is done, guys. Can I go to the next slide?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we go to the third part. That's biological weathering. Okay. So first we seen mechanical weathering. That was physical weathering. I'll revise the whole thing. For those who are absent, don't worry. I'll revise the whole thing. First was mechanical weathering. Second is second was what? Chemical weathering. Third is biological weathering. Okay. Okay. Now what is biological weathering? Biological weathering is those weathering that takes part with nature. Okay. This weathering is not part of any rain or any weather. This part is this change is a part of nature. Okay, so I don't need to tell you all. You all can see the photos itself. Okay, the first photo is a temple. Okay, now you all see the temple. You all can see temple के जो walls है, वो walls के बीच में से ही पेड़ आ रहे. Okay, now why does this thing happen? Okay, now can anyone tell me what is the meaning of weathering? This is the easiest thing. What is the meaning of weathering? Breaking. Absolutely correct. Very well done. Okay, breaking. So if you all can see the photos, you all can see that because of the tree roots, things are breaking. Are they breaking or are they not breaking?
Breaking.
Breaking. So this is okay. So this is only called as biological weathering. Okay, I'll tell you what to write. So what is biological weathering? When weathering takes place due to trees or due to the roots of the trees, it's called as biological weathering. You must have seen pieces of rocks getting separated because of the roots of the trees. Basically, your second photo में जो पूरा there's like a wall. The whole wall is breaking. Why it's breaking? Because of the root of the trees. And these trees just go bigger and bigger, and the tension between these walls just go bigger and bigger. Okay, so these weathering controlled by water and wind? No. This weathering is only controlled because of what? Because of the roots of the trees. Thus, it is called as biological weathering. Have you all understood what is biological weathering? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write the heading. Give the heading biological
Sir,
weathering.
wood turning into ash, that's also a weather, right?
Wood turning into ash. But see, what is it breaking? Okay, weathering means breaking. Wood turning into ash, is it breaking anything?
Sir, the wood.
What? Can you come again?
The wood.
But
It's breaking
it is
and
breaking
turning
the
into
wood. It is but weathering means breaking this, like breaking a building or breaking a land or something like that. Not wood. Wood won't come under weathering. Okay. If that wood is in a house and the wood is burning the whole house down, then it is called as weathering. Like that. Okay. So write the
Thank you,
heading
sir.
and
सर पर ये
welcome.
वेदरिंग में थोड़ा कंफ्यूज है, मतलब ये तोड़ने वाला वेदरिंग और वेदर मतलब नॉर्मल वेदर.
So weathering का basic उसका meaning is breaking. Okay, breaking or changing the shape is called as weathering. Okay, you all also face weathering. So अभी अगर तुम लोग साइकिल चलाते रहेंगे और गलती से तुम लोग गिर गए, तुम लोग को चोट लगता है. Okay, you all get hurt. Okay, I'll show you. See, you all can see this thing is my weathering. Okay, I fell down from my bike, मेरे को लग गया. So that is going to be with me for my whole life. So it has changed the shape of my hand for something. I did thoda. So this is called weathering. So weathering means what? Breaking or changing the shape of something is called as weathering. Okay. So for biological weathering, you all can write weathering caused by roots of trees is called as biological weathering. It's not given over here. So you all can, I'm dictating to you also weathering caused by the roots of the trees. Okay. It's
Sir,
given.
can you repeat from
given.
starting?
Yeah, wait. It's given. Okay. Write this last का 3 lines, right? It's the same thing. Write the 3 lines, last 3 lines.
सर बस बायोलॉजी और वेदरिंग का हेडिंग डाल के डैश करके 3 पॉइंट
हाँ, बराबर.
बस इतना ही लिखना है जो आपने.
हाँ, सी उतना ही लिखने का टोटल, उतना ही लिखना. हाँ प्रिंस.
आपने पहले क्विज कराया था ना?
क्या? क्विज. हाँ, क्विज में लेगा because I'm waiting. ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा ना, कल तक ये चैप्टर खत्म हो जाएगा. Then before starting the next chapter, I'll start quiz. ये मैं सब लेक्चर में क्विज लेगा तो हम लोग का पढ़ाई नहीं होएगा ना. No, I'll take, don't worry. I know y'all, तुम लोगों को भी इंटरेस्ट कुछ क्विज अच्छा लगा. All my students are like quiz लो. So Albert sir भी मेरे को पूछ रहा था क्या कौन सा क्विज दे रहा है, तो मेरे को भी बता. So I'll try and make new quiz and I'm trying to make new different quiz. तो एक ही चीज पूरा बोरिंग लगेगा.
सर टफ.
Have you all seen this weathering, biological weathering? किसने देखा है क्या? Have you all seen trees?
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो तुम लोग हमेशा देखते रहे और सोचते रहे इसका क्या चीज होता है. This is called biology. So if you see, not now, olden, this is like what do you say, olden forts and all. If you all go over there you all will find this type of biological weathering.
Sir, I visit
Sir,
all the forts in Maharashtra.
weathering
No,
means
not in
it's only
Maharashtra.
cost.
Weathering means breaking or changing shape. Okay. Weathering means breaking or changing shape. And Krishnakant in Maharashtra, I'll tell you why you won't find. Because what happens, Maharashtra का जितना forts है ना, all the forts in Maharashtra are tourist spots. ठीक है. तो अगर tourist spots में अगर weathering होगा और सब tourist spots ही टूट गया, इसका someone's mic is on क्या? I can't. Whose mic is on? Okay. So tourist spots है. Mostly everything is tourist spots. तो क्या होता है? अगर ऐसा झाड़ के वजह से कोई टूरिस्ट स्पॉट टूट गया तो ऑब्वियसली मतलब लोग जाएंगे नहीं ना उधर देखने को, सो दे कट द ट्रीज बिफोर हैंड ओनली. So if you go to a untouched fort, like some forts which are not touched, so like Bhut Bangla, Kalyan ka, you'll have heard about Idol Factory, the haunted place in Kalyan. No one has heard. Go on Google and search haunted places Kalyan. The first will come Idol Factory. So Idol Factory में you will find such biological weathering.
Sir,
मैं बोल रहा हाँ.
So there
हाँ,
is
क्या
near Root School there is a weathering place.
Where?
There small रास्ता है ना, क्या बाजू में मराठी चर्च है ना,
हाँ,
उधर
समझा,
एक
समझा.
पुलिस स्टेशन पुलिस बंगला है, उधर
हाँ.
वेदरिंग होता है.
Yes, sir,
बहुत
Commissioner
old है.
Bungalow.
So Arda Shunda, so if you all go na next time if you all go ऐसा रास्ते पे walk के लिए गए तुम लोग, if you all are crossing by, take a photo of that and send it on the group, तो सबको समझेगा.